In the last few days, Robinhood has said that they are going to start releasing the beta version of their crypto wallets. Many people all over the world are hoping that Shiba Inu will be a part of the Robinhood crypto wallet soon. Now, is Shiba Inu going to be live with this beta, or are they going to be announced soon? In this video, we're going to talk about this and a lot more about Shiba Inu. What Shiba Inu is most likely going to be shortly, and how it will most likely change. To understand that, make sure you watch the whole video to its end. Make sure you subscribe to get notifications when you upload a new video, so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrencies every single day. If you want to get access to the most popular YouTube channel about Shiba Inu in the world, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Now, if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and give us the video a thumbs up. It helps us support the channel, but most importantly, it helps to get these videos out to people who need to hear this information. Let's jump right into the video, shall we? But before we get into the wallets, we need to get a better understanding of the crypto market as a whole. In other words, today's market is going sideways once more. There's a lot of green. Ethereum is once again up 1%. Some cryptocurrencies have lost 1% of their value. Some cryptocurrencies have gained 1%. As a result, the market is moving sideways. And this morning, we were beginning to glimpse a great deal of green. Even just in the last 2 hours, we've seen the market begin to dip, which is simply a continuation of sideways trading. However, in the previous few days, the crypto market has seen considerable advances. On average, we've seen a 5% increase in the market's value in recent days, and we're up around 5% from our lowest point to our highest. The most important thing to remember is that the stock market's futures market will open tonight. And what that means is that if we look at the Nasdaq, the stock market futures, depending on what happens tonight, when they open up, if we start to see a lot of green, we are most likely going to have a very green week this week, especially if the market opens up red, which is very unlikely but certainly conducive. So I'm not sure how it could be that it's the first of the year and people are buying a lot of things. Portfolios are being relocated. There should be little volatility. Things should be very bulletproof right now, but if the stock market opens up red, so will the crib market. We're just going to go back to the same levels we were at and continue to trade in this small little trading range, which is becoming very irritating. We're just trading back and forth, trading back and forth, trading back and forth, back and forth. But what that means is that a lot of people are getting into cryptocurrencies and they're trying to get as much as they can while the whales keep trying to dump and manipulate people. To keep prices down, a lot of people want to buy, but there are also a lot of big whales who want to sell so that they can keep them at a good price. Then, what that does is scare away investors. A lot of people are afraid, and they want to give up on their investments or sell them. That's what these whale games are about, right? As long as possible, these whales try to manipulate these prices. It's been hard for them historically. Even if things are bad, it's usually hard in the beginning, no matter how bad they are. It's very hard for things not to be bullish at the beginning of months. That's just how the market works. That's just how money moves in the stock market on Wall Street and cryptos, because we have futures and options, expirations, which keep prices suppressed or they push prices up. So depending on what happens in the next couple of days, it's most likely going to determine how the month of January is going to end up playing out. In my opinion, my personal opinion, I think the month of January is going to end up being pretty bullish. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments below. So we see the market is up a little bit, a lot, a little bit of green, a little bit of red, but tonight is going to be the deciding factor. Usually, after red weeks, Sunday nights end up being bullish in the next couple of days. After that, start being mean. As soon as we have a few green days, we usually go back down again. When things aren't moving, this is a good time to trade. We should not trade when things aren't moving much. So let's get right to the point. They are Robinhood and Shiba, so we're going to talk about them right now. There are a lot of scammers out there, so make sure you follow all our social media so that you can be sure that you're following the right one. You already know that. So Robinhood, a trading platform, says that the cryptocurrency wallet will be coming soon. For months, they told everyone about it. The market looked great. We can't do that. There's a problem with the way things are going. So they finally did it. In this situation, they're not going to be able to get out of it quickly. So this month, Robinhood is going to launch and start testing. That means January. Robinhood announced that it will start testing its new cryptocurrency wallets this week. They will start with a small group of people. Crypto wallets were launched by the company in September. Customers who trade cryptocurrencies can now send and receive money through their wallets. You will use the Robinhood app. Some of you have a lot of money on Robinhood and want to get off of it or stay on it. There are ways to send your cryptocurrencies off and on the platform, so you can do this. This is going to be a big thing for cryptocurrencies in general and for people who own Robinhood. The investors are mostly people who buy coins. We need to get some people who buy Shiba coins over there as well, though. I think that Shiba, getting put on this platform, which I think is going to happen. Do you think it will happen? In case you do, give this video a thumbs up, let me know below. Do you think that Shiba will be added to the Robinhood wallets? So Robinhood also said that during the wallet's alpha launch, which recently came to an end, a small group of customers from the waitlist were able to test the company's first crypto wallet and give detailed feedback about how it looked and worked. They've been through a lot of tests. And what they are seeing is that they are ready to go. So they said that all of the data tools meet all of the regulations and everything looks good. But we're going to add more security features for crypto transactions. The apps and multi-factor authentication are two of the things on this list. As soon as you start a transfer or transaction check, we know that it's you. This way, we can better understand the risk of where the coins are going. For the most part, this story is about Robinhood, and they're going to be announcing the wallets. Now, the biggest petition for a cryptocurrency has been the Shiba Inu Robinhood petition, which has been the biggest one ever made. In January, Shiba Inu will join Robinhood. We are seeing that there could be news or information that Shiba Inu was going to be on the Robinhood application. Now, based on pure speculation, it is very likely that this year, Robinhood will say that the beta is ready. They would start this trading platform, which would let people send and get cryptos from one person to the other. Afterward, or even on the day of the launch, maybe they're going to tell us what other cryptos they're going to add. If they don't say what cryptos they plan to add at that time, I think it's very likely that they'll start to say what cryptos they plan to add in the future, like Shiba Inu, this month. I think that Shiba Inu is going to be on Robinhood, and a lot of people agree with me. There's a lot of inside information and rumors that this is going to be the case. A trading app for cryptocurrency and investment app for stocks. The Robinhood app is widely considered one of the biggest cryptocurrency trading apps for the mainstream. Shiba Inu coin has already made its way to Coinbase and Public, a retail trading app that rivals Robinhood. Robinhood is widely seen as the final piece of the puzzle for the crypto token. Until next time, see you then. If you think this video is cool, give it a thumbs up. Then, I'll be very grateful. Please think about doing that. Share this video with a friend or family member. Afterward, I'll see you all, too.